Why hello everybody, this is Golden2004 here. Today we're going to be doing a Thomas and Friends unpackaging video. So let's see all the items that we're going to unbox today. So here's something we're going to unbox. This is Trackmaster Push-Along Rebecca, and out of all the Trackmaster Push-Alongs, this one has to be the least worst. Because I'm not a fan of the Trackmaster Push-Along items, but this is the only one that I got. So I'm excited to use Rebecca in that series. So, there's Rebecca. And I gotta say she looks pretty good, even though she's taking Henry's spot at the sheds. There's number 22 in NWR. Really like the tender here. But that's all I have to say about Rebecca so far. Our next item we're gonna be looking at is Merlin the Invisible. And, these Trackmaster push-along things have actually started to quite grow on me. And I'm actually beginning to like them. So let's get Merlin out of the box. It's easy, just like Rebecca. So here is Merlin from Journey Beyond Sodor. That was like, hang on. I'm still trying to focus on Merlin. Okay, there we go. So Merlin is number 783. Which, don't know if that's his real age. Got his 3 funnels, just like a real World War engine, who used to, hide itself from air bombers. There's Merlin right there. Then you got buffers. I have unpainted buffers. Gotta work on that. But that's all I have to say about Merlin. And then, this next one is Thomas's mail delivery. Now, I'm not going to unbox this on camera. I'm actually going to unbox this off camera. And, yeah, that's pretty much it.